Today I am going to do a PRS injection of the right shoulder joint for a case of glenohumeral arthritis of the shoulder joint. The patient is 65 years old. He has grade 3 osteoarthritic change in the glenohumeral joint. He is already scheduled for a shoulder replacement, but he wants to see if there is pain relief with this procedure, then he could avoid a shoulder replacement. So right now you see anesthetist. She's connecting a vein and she's going to withdraw blood, 60 ml of blood for PRP. We are going to use a high dose PRP today. This is the high dose PRP kit. We draw 60 ml and it's supposed to give a concentration of platelets of 12 times. I get PRS from the mixture. I will inject it into the shoulder. This is the fluoroscopic image of the shoulder. I have marked the point of entry. I will be injecting dye. I also have an ultrasound machine to aid in the injection of the soft tissues of the shoulder, like the supraspinatus tendon and the AC joint. So this is the linear probe. I'll be using that also. So this injection will be guided totally by ultrasound as well as fluoroscope. This is the SVF which is prepared.
A needle has been placed into the shoulder and dye has been injected to outline the head of the humerus. When I inject PRS into the shoulder, it will be delivered precisely into the shoulder joint. I am now placing a needle into the supraspinatus tendon, and you can see the point of entry of the needle here. I will inject PRS into this degenerated supraspinatus tendon. I am injecting PRP intraosseously into the humeral head under fluoroscopy guidance. That concludes the procedure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload new videos.